Okay, so everyone knows 2019 is the biggest year yet for voice and video. Now, my tip to you guys would be is to make sure that you choose your strength wisely. Now, you hear so many tips when you're reading articles, you're looking at, kind of like Instagram, everything like that. But the important thing is to choose what is right for you effectively. Now, I think that it's like the social media. You've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can't do all of them. You're not, Superman or Superwoman. So decide. So, okay, I know you may not feel comfortable with doing, say, either, but you've got to pick one to jump into the deep end and just go for it. Because if you avoid trends, it's not the way forward. Some people think they're cool, or it's not the way forward. You can't avoid evidence. So just try. And I promise you, once you do one or two, you don't even have to put it out there. Just make sure you give it a go. I mean, when I first started doing video, I didn't even know how a camera worked. And I mean, I'm not being, I used, a really nice one. I went and bought one, and then I was thinking, right, okay, how do I set this up? The lighting was bad. It was horrendous. I can attach the link below to one of my first videos, and it was just, whoa. But anyway, with practice, just kind of like using my phone a lot, doing live Instagram stories, it got so much easier. So just give it a go, pick up your phone. I mean, the selfies and everything like that, they're massive next year, and, no one's gonna criticize you for trying. I mean, they may laugh, they may disagree, they may say it's awful, but at the end of the day, you can only improve. And on LinkedIn, on YouTube, on Instagram, just give it a go. And if it scares you that much, then do a lot of videos on your phone that you don't publish. I mean, I've got so much content that went wrong that's just on my phone, and I think, what was I talking about? So everyone started somewhere. So make sure that you really make an effort with either your voice on like voice notes, podcasts, everything like that, or even with your, video content on YouTube, on Instagram stories. Just give it a go this year. I promise you, it is an amazing way forward. So let me know how you guys get on. Interact on Instagram, because I love feedback on stories and just to hear how everyone's going, and I definitely always reply and keep track. So anyway, let me know how it goes. Bye.